In today's video, we are going to see chapter number 5, Java Applet and Graphics Programming. In this, we are going to see the topic that is graphics programming. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Delhi. Now let us see graphics class. Now graphics is a class which is present into the package java.awt and which provides various methods for the graphics programming. Now when we have to draw anything on the applet screen like text or any shape, then we have to use the graphics methods with the help of which we can draw some graphics or anything onto the applet. Now the first method of graphics class, that is a drawString. Okay. Now this drawString method having the syntax like public abstract void drawString having three parameters, string str, then int(x) and int(y). Now this string, the string which is displayed on the applet screen is given using the first parameter, and the string position is given by the x and y value. Okay. Now the ut is used to draw the specified string. Now let us see the example of the drawString method. Now we have to see the example of the drawString method. Now here we have seen a program. Now here in this program we have imported two packages, applet and awt. Now here graphics demo class is taken, extends applet class. Now here pend method is defined. Now inside the pend method we have defined g.drawString Samartha Polytechnic 100 and 140. Now here applet code is defined. Now when we save this program and run this program, let us see the output. Now Java C. Now here let us run the program. Java C, what is the name? Graphics demo.java. Now run the program. Applet viewer, graphics demo.java. Now we can see here, we can get here the Samartha Polytechnic text displayed onto the screen. Now here x position is 100, y position is 140. So here x position is 100 and y position is 140. This text is displayed. Now let us see next topic, that is a drawRect method. Now drawRect method of graphics class is used to draw the rectangle with specified width and height. Now let us see the syntax public void drawRect having first two parameter int(x), int(y), displays the or defines the top left corner of the rectangle, and this width and height define the width and height of a rectangle. Okay. Let us see one example. Suppose now I will show you, suppose the rectangle, if you draw this rectangle, now in this rectangle the top left corner, this top left corner position is given by int(x), int(y), and the width and height is specified by using the third and fourth parameter. Now let us see the example. Now in this example I will show you the drawRect method. Now drawRect having four parameters, x and y. Suppose we are taking 50, 50. This is the coordinate of top left corner of rectangle. Suppose we are taking 150 x width of the rectangle, and suppose 80, that is the height of the rectangle. Let us save the program. Now compile the program. We have compiled the program. Now let us run the program. Now we are getting the rectangle. If we see this program, in this rectangle 50, 50, this is the position of top left corner of rectangle, and then 150 and 80, this is the width and the height of rectangle. Okay. Now let us see the next topic, that is a draw oval. Now draw oval, before that we have to see field rect topic. Field rect. Now it is a method of graphics class. Now it is also draw the rectangle, but it filled the rectangle with the default color and specified the width and height. Now fill rect and draw rect having the same parameter int x and y, which define the position of top left corner of rectangle, and then the width and height define the width and height of rectangle. Now here the rectangle is filled with default color. Now by default color of the applet is a black, so we have to draw the rectangle that which filled with the black color. Let us see the example. Now in the same example, instead of draw, now I will put here fill, F-I-L-L. Now save the program. Now again compile the program and run the program. Let us see the output. Now Java C graphics demo.java program is compiled, and applet viewer graphics demo.java. Now if you found this rectangle, it is filled with the black color, that is the default color. Now the 50-50, now top left corner position x 50 and y 50. This is the width and this is the height of the rectangle. Okay, now let us see the next topic. Now next topic is a draw oval. Now draw oval method having the 4 parameter int x, int y, width and height. The parameters are same as the draw rect method, but it draw the oval instead of the rectangle which specified width and height. Now let us see. Now this rectangle is drawn, or this oval is drawn inside the rectangle. Now how? Let us see. Suppose this is a rectangle. If we are drawing the rectangle here, now inside the, suppose we are drawing the rectangle. Now inside the rectangle the oval is drawn, which now oval is drawn inside this rectangle which having the same width and height that is of the rectangle. Okay, but what is happening? Now rectangle is drawn inside the same rectangle. Now let us see the program. Now here fill rect. Now instead of fill rect I am drawing now here draw oval. Draw oval. Now save the program. Now compile the program. Java C graphics demo.java and applet viewer graphics demo.java. Now we can see the output of the applet screen. Here we can get the oval drawn onto the applet screen. Okay, which having the width and height specified here into the program. Now suppose width is 150 and height is 80. Okay, now let us see next program. Now draw oval is completed, fill oval is completed. Now let us see the next method, that is a fill oval. Now it is same as draw oval. Just thing is that it is filled oval with the specified default color and having the specified width and height. Now default color is black, so oval is drawn with the color black. Now let us see the program. Now here instead of draw oval I am writing the fill oval, F-I-L-L. Okay, now let us save the program. Now let us compile the program. Sorry, now I have directly compiled the program. Let run the program. Let me compile the first. Okay, Java C graphics demo.java. Applet viewer graphics demo.java. Now we can see here filled oval. Okay, now draw oval, fill oval having same method, same shape, only color is changed. It is filled with the default color, that is a black. Now let us see next method, that is a draw line method. Now draw line method having 4 parameter, x1 and y1 are the starting endpoint and this is a last endpoint. Okay, now there are 2 terminals for the lines. This first starting terminal coordinate is given by the x1 y1, these first 2 parameters, and the coordinates of the ending terminal of the line is given by the x2 and y2. It is used to draw the line between the points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now let us see the example. Now we are going to draw a line. Now suppose I am drawing the line, suppose 200, 200. Okay. Now let us run the program. Now here 50, 50 is the coordinate of starting terminal, 200, 200 is the coordinate of the ending terminal. Okay, let us compile the program and run it. Java C graphics demo.java. Now here we are getting the error because we have written just draw. We have to write the draw line method. Okay, draw line, save the program. Let us compile the program. Now program is compiled. Now run the program. Applet viewer, graphics demo.java. Now it draw the line which having starting, if we see the starting point is a 50-50 and the ending point is a 200 and 200. Okay, so we have seen the various methods of the graphics class. We have seen the methods. Let us see here. We have seen the method draw string, draw rect, then fill rect, then draw oval, and then fill oval, and after that the last method we have seen draw line. Okay, so I hope that you understand this topic. Okay, let us stop.